Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hard reset your iPhone. Let's get started. If your iPhone freezes, becomes unresponsive, or the screen stops working, a hard reset can help restart the device without using the on-screen controls. For example, if your iPhone is completely frozen and you can't swipe to power it off or tap anything on the screen, a hard reset is the best option. To do this, press and hold the volume up button and the power button together. Keep holding both buttons, even if the slide to power off screen appears. Don't touch the screen or try to slide to power off. Simply continue holding the buttons until the iPhone turns off completely. After a few moments, release the buttons. Now press the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. Once it restarts, check if the issue has been resolved. A hard reset is useful when your iPhone is frozen, lagging, or not responding to touch. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.